Banking in the cannabis industry, not only has it been the bane of my existence, but it has been something for 7 years running now. I've been saying, oh, that'll get fixed in the next year or two. Still not fixed. Very frustrating.
They actually decided to take a group of women to go meet with Congress and Senate. And it totally blew people's minds. They were really shocked that we were dispensary owners, that we were like hands-on business operators of the industry. But then, when we told the story about, hey, we need banking because we had to take a bag full of money home in our car the other day and happened to stop to get food for the family and someone broke into our car. What would have happened if that person would have followed me home? I have kids at home.
Our employees were excited we were going to give them 2 weeks off, and it was kind of this great vacation that they finally had after this major push. And Wells Fargo shut our account down. There was no bad money in this account. There was no, it was ridiculous. And right before Christmas to shut this down, so we had to, it was a struggle. We had to figure out how to pay our employees, and it really opened our eyes that banking is a problem in this industry.
We had banking for our first dispensary in the early days, and it was a good situation. The branch manager of this particular bank, I'll just say it was US Bank. He was one of our best customers. Came to our dispensary all the time, as did a lot of the staff at US Bank in Boulder. But then some higher up, I guess, got word of it, and we got a letter one day. Not only did they shut down the accounts at my dispensary, but they shut down our family checking account, savings account, canceled a couple credit cards, called a car loan, and they shut down my 4-year-old daughter's savings account.
We found a bank that was willing to take 5 direct operators as clients, and because we had really clean books and we're very professional and organized, they let us be one of their 5. That's what is happening now, is that the banks that are doing business with people have some kind of a relationship with them where they feel a lot more confident in doing that. But they're mostly local banks, and they're people that have had relationships, I think, with those businesses. But it needs to improve.
My solution to the banking problem being fixed is to allow banking. Treat it like any other business. I know that day is coming. I know we're getting closer and closer to it. Surely with California, the 6th largest economy in the world, just passing rec, we're going to have a fix to the banking issue. I know I've been saying it for 7 years, but I think it's going to happen finally in the next year or two.